You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to Lab 17, Configuring Work Types. Now let's move ahead. As you can see, I am signed into home.atlassian, which is Jira portal. Okay, now let's click on Jira Service Management and we are going to click on Settings and we are going to click on Work Item, which is under Jira Admin Setting. Work Item, Work Items. On Work Type, here if you see Work Type, we are going to click on Add Work Type. Click on Add Work Type. We are going to name it as Spike. Description, Work Type Schema. We are going to select Default Issue Type Schema. In Type, we are going to select Standard Work Type Level 0 and click on Add. On Work Type page, next to Spike, we are going to click on these three dots and click on Edit. In Work Type, Edit Work Type Spike page, we are going to click on Select Image. Select image, we are going to select this image. Work type and let me select question icon. Yeah, question icon. We are going to select question icon, not arrow icon, and then we are going to click on update. Okay. Now let's move ahead and perform next task. On Work Type page, Work Types page, under Work Type, we are going to click on Work Type Schema. Work Type Schema. Under Work Type Schema. On Work Type Schema, we are going to, on Work Type Schemas, we are going to scroll down and next to Demo Jira Service Management Issue Type Schema, we are going to click on three dots and we are going to click on Edit. Okay, on Modify Issue Type, we are going to drag and drop issue, which is Spike, to issue type of current schema. From available issue type, we are going to drag and drop Spike to issue types of current schema. And then we are going to click on Save. Work types may be different for each organization. The work type schema can be modified for any work type. Okay, I will repeat. The work type schema can be modified for any work type. Now let's close this window. With this, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.